Here's some Affordable Care Act trivia. Subscribe. What act was signed into law in 2010 to reform healthcare? Is it A, Affordable Care Act, B, Bush tax cuts, C, Medicare Modernization Act, or D, Social Security reform? The correct answer is A, Affordable Care Act. Who was the president during the enactment of the Affordable Care Act? Is it A, Donald Trump, B, Barack Obama, C, Bill Clinton, or D, George W. Bush? The correct answer is B, Barack Obama. What is the common nickname for the Affordable Care Act? Is it A, Federal Health Initiative, B, Health Plan, C, Care for All, or D, Obamacare? The correct answer is D, Obamacare. Which Supreme Court case upheld the legality of the Affordable Care Act in 2012? Is it A, Obergefell v. Hodges, B, NFIB v. Sebelius, C, Roe v. Wade, or D, Brown v. Board? The correct answer is B, NFIB Sebelius. Which American demographic benefits from subsidies in the healthcare marketplace? Is it A, wealthy corporations, B, seniors over 65, C, low-income individuals, or D, middle-income families? The correct answer is C, low-income individuals. What feature allows young adults to stay on parental plans? Is it A, young adult subsidy, B, adult premium option, C, family premium plan, or D, dependent coverage? The correct answer is D, dependent coverage. What term refers to the limit on out-of-pocket expenses under the ACA? Is it A, deductible cap, B, premium support, C, cost-sharing reduction, or D, lifetime limit? The correct answer is C, cost-sharing reduction. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.